Welcome back to another activity and adventure. It's the captain here. Where are we going today then, son?
Wolverhampton.
On the canal route, yeah, we're in city centre. You're going to be hitting the canal route towards the big W, Wolverhampton, as you say, Wolverhampton. So we're going to see how far and how long it is. I'm going to test it out. I've done a bike ride before on the canals before, so I just want to do a bit of a longer one. You ready?
I'm ready, I was born ready.
Are you sure you're ready?
I was born ready, son.
Don't be lagging, alright. Come on, let's do this then, yeah? On the canal path now, yeah? Up the hill. Going to be a lot of hills and tunnels. Thank you. Either coming in my way and that. Get me at least. Tell me what direction you're going to go in. Look at that canal there. Nice. And slick. Sun shining on it. Look at the rifts. You can see the reflection of the clouds as well. Amazing. Through the tunnel. And there was light. The bumps again. Ain't got a mud guard, so I'm gonna go through some muddy puddles. I gotta slow down. Six. Should be alright. That's nice and gentle. Yeah, look at that, there. Wolverhampton, look. Got there? Wolverhampton locks. That's amazing, that isn't it? Well, all in all, it was about 30k in it.
Maybe, yeah.
30k, took us an hour and a half. We had a few hiccups along the way as well. When we were going on the canal, there was a blocked off route, so we had to find a side route on the side roads and then get back on the canals as well. But yeah, man, incredible. So what we're going to do now is we're going to grab a bite to eat, then we're going to go back towards the canals, towards Birmingham. Where it can be.
Just make sure to leave a comment, make sure you like, make sure to subscribe for more content in the future. Alright, pal. Cheers, pal.
That's about it.
That's about it.
Nothing else.
Alan Rockcliffe!
What about the journey?
It was easy, man. It was easy.
Easy peasy.
Yeah,
Lemon squeezy.
I did it for Alan Rockcliffe. I should have done it for you, Sean.
We're in Wolverhampton, bro.
Wolverhampton. Alright, Wolverhampton.
Alright, so yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure. Alright, take care.